the stop motion makers. They together are made up from the Arctic Wolf, which is my other friend, YouTuber, and the stop motion maker, aka me, the stop motion makers. What planet is this? Where am I? Where's my ship? All I remember is dark. Time to go. Gather materials. Oh my ship! Time to turn this bad boy over. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yeah. Shink, shink, shink. I'm a space dude now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and to our channel. It would mean a lot to him if you could subscribe to us. So yeah, this is part 2 of the Y-Wing Starfighter repair. The guy is stranded on the island like last time the ship flew off. So yes, let's see how that turns out.